guys, welcome back to 𝖩force Gaming. And guys, to show why I sound like a girl in real time right now, or I can't even sound like
Donald J. Trump. So I can even sound like Donald J. Trump if I want to be, or even I can even sound like
Mickey Mouse right here. So how did I do that to sound with all these different characters? Well, it is with the help of
this software right here. So this is the US voice wave, all right, and this is a really awesome voice changer that works in real time, and it sounds extremely incredibly close, all right, to whatever sound you want it to be, all right. No matter any celebrity, any anime character, any game character, all right, you guys can sound exactly like them, and it's so mind blowing that I actually prank few of my friends or like online players with like thinking that I'm actually a girl. Or my friends, I'm actually like certain celebrities that they like some of my friends they love like Cristiano Ronaldo, and then I can sound like them, and it's really crazy and it's really incredible. And I would like to share this with you guys. So if you guys are looking out there to like throw a prank your friend on Discord or anywhere else, all right, you guys can try out this. All right, is US voice changer. So without further ado, all right, let me just go ahead and get you into the voice changer itself so you guys can see what are the features and what are the voices that you guys can change into right away. All right, so you guys can see right behind me, we have a ton of characters, people, celebrities, all these that you guys can change your voice into. All right, so right now, let me just go ahead and dive in and show you what other voices that you guys can do. So let's do some of the more popular ones, shall we? Okay, so my voice changer on right now is my original voice, and right now I can sound probably like an anime girl.
A bit. And hi, hi guys. Now I sound like an anime girl. I'm a girl. Hello, and I use this voice to like prank people online. I have people thought that I'm a girl, and they are like super nice and sweet to me. And if the moment I change my like, hey guys, they're like, what? And also the one the voice I can be. I can
girl as well. So if you're a guy, you want to be a girl, sure. If you're a girl, you want to be a guy. Absolutely, you guys can do that. So this is how I sound like it's the girl.
All right, and obviously there is also you guys can do like certain celebrities, presidents as well. They have like Trump.
well. So yeah, so this I am Trump right now. Hi guys, my name is Donald Trump. So yeah, you guys can be him as well, and one of my friends' favorite, Cristiano Ronaldo.
All right, so now I am Cristiano Ronaldo, and this is how I sound like. So, hey guys, I'm Cristiano Ronaldo. Nice to meet you guys. Yeah, you can obviously do that as well. So, yeah, now I'm Cristiano Ronaldo.
All right, and they have a lot of different kinds of voices that you guys can do. All right, if you just want to sound like Mickey Mouse, all right, just
download. And yeah, so hi guys. Bro, I'm Mickey Mouse. Welcome to my clubhouse. Well, obviously, yeah, you guys can do that.
well. So yeah, you can see there's the AI label all this beside it. All right, means that it is enhanced with AI, so you sound way more closer to the actual voice itself and sound more realistic, and there's more realism to it. So yeah, you guys can see there's a lot. There's like certain like popular streamer like Case O. We have like ex-presidents as well. We have like certain like basketball player, NBA players. We have like certain cartoons as well. SpongeBob. Well,
I'm a SpongeBob. So hi guys, my name is SpongeBob. I don't know why.
I don't really know how to impersonate SpongeBob, all right. But yeah, we have you guys can see you have Rick and Morty's. They have a lot. They have really a lot. All this, one of all the popular one, and yeah. So the one without the AI one, well, they do still sound really good, all right. But it's not really AI enhanced. But you guys can sound maybe on.
Try out the female student. So yeah, this is my female student voice. So yeah, it doesn't really sound as close as to the 𝖩, but if you guys want to use the AI, obviously you guys can select a lot of like other generic one over here. You guys can see like Autobot, Stormtrooper, Hawk, basically anything you can think of, right? Or any character you can think of, right? They have it right over here. And the best part about all these things is that you guys can also adjust it to your own voice. So for my one, because my voice is actually very deep myself, so probably like maybe like the pitch doesn't really feel a bit right, or like maybe like since my voice is deeper, I should like make the pitch much higher so that it will sound better. Alright, so you guys can do like manual adjustment over here. You can add certain keybinds to it, so you don't have to like tap in, tap out, alternate tap, while you're in game, and tap out to like change voice. You guys can add it to a certain keyboard, like probably if I like want to switch instantly to like I don't know, like
Cristiano Ronaldo, or as you guys can see, I'm speaking the voice right now. So
So if I go
Cristiano Ronaldo, let me just
off the voice changer itself first. So let me hear myself. All right, I can add a key point. I can just click any key. So if I press Q, all right, so every time when I click Q, it will bind to Cristiano Ronaldo. All right, and if I go to anime girls again, at the key point, I press W. All right, so every time when I press W, all right, it was changed to the anime girl. So once I go to original, enable voice changer. If I press W,
I am now an anime girl, and when I press
I am now Cristiano Ronaldo. So it's really incredible. So you guys can add keyboard, so you guys can switch voice instantly from a keyboard without, alternate tab and like switching it to the software, just changing it yourself. So you guys can add those famous when you want to use it.
all right, so let me just switch back to my original voice right now. So you guys can add a keybind to it. And also you guys can see there is a lot of characters right here. So if you like want to find, it's like so many to find. How do you find it? Well, there's well categorized on the top here. So you guys can see they have Genshin one. If you're a fan of Genshin, they have all the characters here. Valorant one, they have the anime one, they have the game one, all the new characters that is added in. All right, they have ice high sci-fi movie celebrities, all the celebrities, your favorite celebrities are all over here. So you guys have a classification over here, or you guys can switch to like certain AI model as well to help with more instant clarity. And on top of changing your voice, they also comes with a soundboard as well. So certain soundboard like sound effects, all these you want to use in game to like have fun with your friends, all this and that. Well, certainly you guys can do that. All right, so yeah, this is the soundboard itself. So you guys can like have like applause. Okay. And then you guys can stop or start, you can adjust the duration, you want to loop, all this and that. You guys can certainly do that as well. The company, all different kind of sound effect. You guys can see all different memes, all kinds of sound effect. Right over here, you guys can just, and obviously you guys can add a key bind to it. So you can add a certain key to certain sound effect that you use the most. So like I said, you don't have to auto the tab out to like click on that and like auto tab back to the game. You guys can add your keyboard and or you have an Elgato Stream Deck or something, or you guys can add it to a Stream Deck as well and add a key binder, which is really cool, and it's all classified over here. All right, if you like this, you can favorite it as under your favorites as well. All right, and yeah, same goes for this one as well. If you select this voice and maybe this two voice, you just go to your favorites. It's all over here, so easier to find it and tune it and adjust it to however you like it to be. So let me just unlike both of them first. Okay, and yeah, they have a lot of other things as well, like file voice changer, voice creation. So you can create your own voice. All right, like set like adjusting all the things. You can also clone your own voice. Basically, just record like a 1 minute voice clip, and you guys can clone your own voice. Someone can use your voice, which is kind of scary and cool at the same time. So you guys can like use your friend's voice clip and clone their voice. But wouldn't recommend you to do anything illegal with that. But just want to use it to like, have fun for the banter as well. You guys can certainly do that as well. But it's a really really cool real time voice changing software. All right, you guys can see. I can change to like female student.
See how I sound like, okay? So hi guys. So yeah, so you guys can see that it's a real-time voice to this. I'm speaking to you right now. My voice is changing in real time. So it's not like, a pre-recorded audio or anything, so that it sounds more realistic when you're in game or Discord or like any online calls or anything. Alright, you sound because your responses are instant. So you sound super realistic and you can like prank a lot of people and the reaction you get from them is really, really funny and it's a bit uncanny valley vibes as well. Like I'm a guy, I'm like my sound like a girl, so it's really awesome, really fun to do. So
And then just switch back to my original voice before you guys start cringing out, okay? But yeah, it's really really awesome that you guys can do a lot of things to this. All right, you guys can also adjust the volume for different microphone, soundboard, loudspeaker as well. So you guys can adjust all this. Can mute and unmute the mic, obviously. Listen to yourself so you guys can hear how you sound like on certain character or voices that you chose. So you sound when you speak, you hear and you sound, hey, I sounds really good with this particular person. Then you guys can use this as well. All right, you guys can enable and disable voice changer right on the spot really, really cool. So there's a lot of really cool stuff for you guys to check it out. You guys can see the amount of voices they have over here. Look at that. It's insane. It's incredible. Like, I don't see any voice changer that works so good and has so many different voices with it. And this is using AI enhanced, so you guys can hear from the different sound. It sounds super, super realistic. All right. So yeah, should I test a few more? Maybe you guys like see how I sound like LeBron James.
So yeah, I am LeBron James. I hope I do sound like LeBron James. I'm a very famous NBA player, basketball player. So yeah, that's how I sound like when I switch to LeBron James. And there's some other characters you guys like. I have no idea like certain characters how it sounds like. I only know like a few of them. Alright, and I'm speaking in this very, very LeBron James voice. Chihuahua.
Hey guys, I'm Chikawa. Sounds really cool. Pikachu, Pikachu. Pikachu. Pika. Pika, Pika, Pika. I am Pikachu. I am Pikachu. Pika, Pika, Pika. I mean like Pika doesn't really speak unless in Detective Pokemon, but I'm speaking in Pikachu voice, so Pika, Pika.
Let me just disable the voice changer for now. Okay, but yeah, you guys can see this is really, really accurate and like how good it sounds. Alright, I'm really blown away by how accurate and good each voices of each character really, really sounds. It's really, really mind blowing. All right, and let me just go back to Trump again.
Right. Okay. So this is Trump again, and you just can adjust the pitch as well. So like adjust the pitch in real time. So like this is Trump, and hi guys, this is my pitch. All right. So you guys change all around, and so then
That character, they are like so
So Peach and all this and that. So you guys can also like play
Like have so many cool all these. You guys can play all sort of pictures, all this and that to like sound really, really good. And this
All right, and just let me switch back to my own voice before you guys start cringing out again. But you guys can see how awesome this whole thing is. Okay. So yeah, if you guys want to prank your friends, troll your friends, have a fun time online, all right, you guys can check out this is US Voice Wave, the most accurate voice changer out there that I've used. All right, I used to use a lot of different voice changers in the past. Something's like hard, you know, the actual physical one. It costs really, really insane. It's cost like $500-$600. All right, this one you guys can download it on a PC, your laptop, or anywhere else. You guys can use it on the go. All right, and the best part about this is you don't have to have a physical soundboard or anything. It comes with it, and as well as it works in real time and it's AI enhanced some more, and it has one of the most amount of voices it has compared to any other voice changer out there. So if you guys want something that is every single voices that you're looking for, it even includes a soundboard, and it sounds so accurate and good in real time, and I use it to, like, you can see like a voice trolling videos as well. You guys can do that as well, so you guys can do whatever you want and have a fun time, or with your friends, your family, and anyone online as well. So if you guys want to check out this is US voice changer, you guys can check out the first link in the video description down below and go ahead and get this voice changer, real-time voice changer for you guys, for you right now, and start changing your voice right away. So yeah, that's all for you guys. Find this video really interesting and really helpful and did help you out, to give you a thumbs up. All right, and yeah, and find it really interesting as well. Also to give you a thumbs up and comment down below if you have any other question or anything with it. All right, I can answer them if you have. And yeah, that's all for the guys. And this is 𝖩forceteamoffical, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.